Hello, in the video, I will answer the questions that are in the present perfect tense. Question number one. Have you ever been someplace that was really fascinating? Yes, I have been in a really fascinating place when we went vacation with my family in the beach. For a week at the hotel we stayed at, there was a lot of after timing, for example, soccer field, basketball field, course there were swimming pool, parties in the evening, and very good food. Every time was really very fascinating. I have like having in experience like that. I think it is an often on the best in my life. Question number one. Have you ever eaten something that was really strange or this just time? And yes, I have eaten something really strange when I went with my friends for a walk towards forest, and we returning. We were very hungry, and we didn't find many stores open because it was too late. So we decided to buy a soap that was in poor condition. It was really horrible because nobody liked it, and I considered that this in the world did doing that I have eaten in the all my life. Have you ever done something uh, that was really thrilling or frightening? Um, yes, I haven't done something really thrilling. We went with a motorcycle and friends to Sonsonate, and then we went to El Pital Hill and the adrenaline rush of riding a motorcycle on the road. It's fascinated. I have loved motorcycle. That's why I think it isn't enough the most fascinating moment of my life. Thank you for your attention. See you next video.